To give the Bush Kids a break from all the hard work, we're going to build some boats for the river and have a race. Okay, you can design your own whatever way you want, all right?
I'm thinking I'm going to make something like this, thin and straight, so that it's able to navigate through the water.
Do you want to break them in half so they're flat, flat, flat?
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Yeah, that'd be.
I'd actually like that myself. Brian, you're doing brilliant.
So I've almost finished this part. Then I might put it on this, or I might just build a mast.
You know the rule, don't you? Whoever loses walks home.
I'm not walking back to Kerry.
Well, you better make a brilliant raft. Okay, whenever you're ready, we'll give it a shot, will we?
Yeah, I'm just going to try tying this bit.
Hey!
The starting line is here.
Whichever one goes past first wins.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Push! And they're off. Right, down to the finish line. Ho, ho, ho. Come on!
Oh, you caught a current!
Well. We have a champion!